As you can see here on the screen, this is a platform that helps freelancers get work just by copying and pasting words, and they will get paid. So this platform is known as guru.com. Head on to any browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera Mini, and dial in this keyword when you open a new tab known as guru.com, and you click on the first link and it will take you to this particular platform. So this is a platform where you can actually post your job, and you can also come here and find job. For example, now if you are looking for people that will help you do copy and paste job, you can also come and post here. And if you are looking for someone that want to earn just by copying and pasting, then you can also come to this platform and earn money. As you can see here, it says 800,000 employers worldwide. They have a 1 million paid invoices. They have given out $250 million to their freelancers, and they have a top rated freelancers. So as you can see here, there are a lot of work. Apart from copying and pasting, there are a lot of works that are also available on this platform. A lot of jobs. You can see a virtual assistant, you have a data entering job, and a lot of others, solar panel clerk, and a lot of others. So you can just click on view all for you to be able to get to know the jobs that are available. Like I just say, if you're looking for a verified freelancer, you can also come on this platform. Or if you're a freelancer that you're looking for a job, you can also come on this platform and you get jobs. I say, how can Guru help you find copy and paste work? It says guru.com is a leading online space for copy and paste freelancers to find work posted by employers, manage projects, and get paid. So what you just have to do is simply create your profile and define the services you want to offer for people to hire you. Employers will find you and you offer them these services, and when you offer these services, you will get paid. So as you can see, there are a lot of jobs. There are data entry expert jobs, there are form filling service jobs, there are data collector jobs. All what you just have to do is to just copy and paste. They have 2 million freelancers all over the world. They have endless opportunity. They are giving you value, flexibility. They give you security. They give you support. They give you credibility. If you love content like this, make sure you click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. So how does Guru work? It says, so I want you to create profile, you find the work. After you find the work, you manage job, and when you manage the job, you get paid. So you can go to this platform guru.com, get to know more about them and how they work. Make sure you click on the red subscribe button so you get updates anytime I will drop subsequent videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.